Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making some oven-baked honey lemon pepper salmon, glazed with the sweetness of honey, kissed with the zesty fresh lemon. So join me in the kitchen and let's make it major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box, so sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. Welcome to Everything's Major Cook Must. A countdown to Christmas. Merry Cookmas. Everything's major. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell as well. I got about 1.5 pounds of wild caught salmon. First, pour about 3 tablespoons of butter on top of your salmon. Then season to your likings on both sides with kosher salt, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, onion and garlic powder, Kinder's brown sugar, oregano, and parsley. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on top because I'm so sweet. Lastly, we're going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top. This helps make the fish not taste so fishy. And remove any seeds that may have fallen. We're going to bake this on parchment paper on 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. While that's baking, let's work on this delicious honey lemon pepper sauce. In a saucepan, melt 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 whole lemon juice and its zest, a pinch of sugar and salt, dried or fresh parsley. Simmer on low heat until sauce thickens, something like this. Okay family, I smell the salmon is ready to come out the oven. I put it under the broil for 2 minutes for a nice caramelized finish, like this. I'll let the sauce cool for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to pour all that liquid gold all over our fish. As you can tell, I love this sauce, so I'm using a generous amount all over my salmon. This looks so delicious, it is time to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next delicious encounter, family, I will see you again real soon next time. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.